Alright, so the Eaton Truetrac locker, we're going to go ahead and show you what that thing looks like. It's definitely a nice piece. If you notice there, it's actually drilled for different size ring bolts, depending on what size bolts you use. That's pretty nice. And there I'm going with a Yukon gear, you know, ring and pinion set. A little bit of Loctite. And those ring gear bolts, they're going to get torqued down to 80 foot-pounds. And you're just gonna wanna, I just end up just crisscrossing and tightening up those bolts and bringing that ring up. Alright, so you're going to have to make some setup bearings. You're going to have to buy you an extra set of carrier bearings. There's no way of really doing this without having like setup bearings, and to be able to get your backlash, you got to do it. So spend a little bit of extra money and get yourself some bearings, and you're just going to, well, what I end up doing is just grinding out some of that inner race to where it'll slip off and on that carrier nice and easy, so I can change the thickness of those shims. You can actually buy setup bearings, but they're real expensive. It's cheaper just to buy bearings and tear them up. Oh yeah, nice and snug. And again, that's 80 foot-pounds. Here we go with my original shims, and I'm going to go ahead and measure them again, I think, and double check and write it down. And go ahead and put them on the carrier, and I'm going to go and throw that carrier in and see what kind of backlash I can get. Now, those shims, it's a pack of shims right there. It's about 3 or 4 shims, and they're all a bunch of different sizes, so I'm actually going to record what all those are. So if I need to take some out, you know, I know which ones to take out. yeah, the carrier fits in there nice and tight. And right from the get-go, as soon as I get in there, I can tell that there's almost no backlash. So I'm gonna have to pull the carrier back out.